Okay, so here we have the Pro Cestari garlic peeler. As you can see, very simple product, little silicone tube. Simple, but yet effective. So what we tend to do is obviously get our garlic bulb here, take a garlic clove. You can actually use more than one clove, but because this is slightly bigger than average, I'd suggest just using the one, so it's a guaranteed peel. Put your hand over the tubing. You can actually hear the sound now of the peel. So when you feel and hear that, you get a nice clean garlic clove.